Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for considering to present for Q as a lead learner. We want to make sure that you have a great and successful presentation utilizing our Zoom platform. You should have received an email from Karina, which will give you a host code. You grab the host code by clicking on the participant button at the bottom of the screen. Once you have done that, to the far right corner, you'll see a button that says Claim Host. Once you claim host, it'll ask you to type in the code that Karina has sent you. Karina has sent me the code 377211. Once you have placed in the correct host code, you will claim your host. Now that you are a host, you have access to all the host materials. If you would like to share your screen, please make sure you select the Share Screen option. If you have more than one screen, make sure you are selecting the screen that you would like to share. If you would like to go into breakout rooms, you may select the breakout room option here. You will select the number of breakout rooms you would like to do and either automatically assign or manually assign. Next, you may want to select the mute all function, and you want to select whether you want the participants to unmute themselves or not. Make sure you select the mute all. That will make sure that the new participants coming into the room are entering with a muted microphone. You may also want to have the chat open up so that you can hear and listen and read all the comments coming through from your participants. Also, make sure you hit the record button so that you can record your session and hand it off to Q when you are done. You will want to make sure that you are unmuted when you are recording your screen so that your participants and the recording can hear your awesome and amazing voice. Thank you so much for listening to this quick tutorial on Zoom. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to myself, Joe Marquez, or Karina for any information on how to access and utilize your Zoom platform. Thank you, and have a great and successful presentation.